back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, you're definitely welcome, and if it's not, you already know I appreciate you. You're the ish. Okay, go ahead and join the family. Subscribe down below, and to follow me on all my social media platforms. That's Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So today, guys, we are doing something different. It's Halloween, y'all know. It's Oktoberfest. We're in the scary mood, so I thought I had to take it up a notch. I gotta be in the trend, you feel me? So today we're doing a monster tutorial, and let's go. This is gonna be a talk through video, so it's gonna be a little different from what I usually give you guys. So but I hope you enjoyed this video, and hey, let's go. Okay guys, I'm starting off with white paint. It's basically just face paint that I got at Walmart. I don't quite remember the name, but I'll look for it and put it down below. It has a bunch of colors, and that's pretty much what I'm going to use for this whole tutorial. So now I just grab green, and I'm just surrounding my white lips with it. Yeah, so I'm just going around my mouth and just literally just kind of building like a layer of round shape. That didn't make any sense, but anyways, let's keep going. Just filling in that green. I'm grabbing a dark pencil now, and I'm just trying to draw my teeth out. And yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, we're trying to do a monster here, so just try to draw some teeth out. I'm also drawing a line in the middle of my lips. Now I'm outlining my jaw, and I'm kind of just bringing the mouth all the way up because it's a big mouth. It's supposed to be bloody all around the mouth. And right now I'm just gonna start filling my jaw with the dark color. And right now I'm using Inglot Cosmetics eyeliner, and I'm just gonna fill it about halfway, and the rest of it is where we're going to put the blood. Doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, now I'm building my eye pockets, my dark eyes, and I'm just prepping that space because that's where we're going to add the bubble eye. Doing the same thing on the other side as well. Just making it thick. So yeah, I'm just adding the color into it. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. Just try to go along with the shade. We just want, you know. Okay, now I just started filling up my mouth with the blood. And it's literally just the red face paint from the same brand I've been using since the beginning of the tutorial. So filling up my upper lip as well. And also I'm gonna add some blood around the eye socket. Is that how you say it? Socket? Yes, I'm adding some blood around the eye socket. And I'm grabbing my Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna just tap a bunch of colors into my eye. We don't want anything organized, so I just grab some yellow, some orange, and a little bit of dark eyeliner, and just start mixing the colors onto my eyelids. We just really want a messy eye. Now grabbing my artist palette from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and using the color Coal, I'm just shadowing my eye socket, giving it kind of you know, not like a glow, like trying to just make it overshadow, if that makes any sense, like overshadow it basically. Yes, I'm doing that on the other eye as well. Yeah. So now I'm just creating a second eyebrow because remember we're doing a double eye monster. So that's my second eyebrow, and the second eyebrow doesn't have to be perfect at all. So that's why I just grabbed a brush and I just fluffed it around. So just try to imitate your regular brow as much as possible. Like literally just draw with the brush. It doesn't have to be top notch. This is not an interview. Okay, so that's starting to make sense. You see how we already got our four brows, our sister brows, you feel me? Yeah, so now I'm grabbing the eyes, and I'm just going to stick the eyes onto our prepped socket. and we're just gonna stick it. I'm using lash glue, pressing it down to hold it so it can stick. I did this for like 3 minutes. I literally was about to die. Like, I couldn't even blink my eye. But anyways, the things I do for you guys. Doing the same thing on the other eye as well. I'm just holding both of them down so they can dry out and stick. Look at me dancing. I was listening to Pinky La. Damn, shit is already looking freaky. Okay, now I'm just building my nose. I'm using my Inglot cosmetic gel liner again to start filling my nose. Just basically, and I'm going down, and I'm just gonna create some dark, how do you call that? Twisted lines, where I'll be filling it with blood as well when I finish drawing it. So they're just supposed to be like, you know, parts of his body or his face that is shredded, and there's blood in it because he's a bloody monster. So we're filling it in with blood. And guys, I forgot to mention my teeth. I also added a yellow when I added it to my eye. I used the Zulu palette from Juvia's place to make the teeth a little yellow because duh, a monster doesn't brush his teeth, so it gotta be yellow. So right now I'm just applying the blood onto the eyes as well. You know, the bloody monster, so he gotta have some blood into the eyes. So just applying it at the contours of the eyes. And if you notice, I did it, it was my choice to use an orange eye, and the other one is pink if you notice. So doing the same thing there too. That's what it's looking like, guys. And oh, it's right now I'm adding some blood to the cheek. So I did add the yellow eyeshadow for it to be yellow, and this is what it looks like. I kind of took that, they call it nail pad in French. I don't know how this is called. That ink set is supposed to be glow in the dark. I tried it, it didn't work though. So but this is how it looks, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial. It was really fun to film. Fun and scary. And maybe uncomfortable too. But it was fun, definitely fun. Spooky. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked the tutorial. It's quite a bit scary. It's quite scary, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I wanted to do something different, and if you have any questions, ask them down below. I'll be happy to answer. Yeah, of course, let me know what you think of this look, if it's something you would rock for Halloween. I love you guys, of course. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.